Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold, if you've seen any of my recent videos, really recent, I mean last couple months, I actually still think gold is going to go up and make a wave 3. I still think it's going to go up at least to the 161.8 around the $2,550 area, then probably make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off this 5-wave uptrend that I believe we are forming. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, we definitely have been in a very corrective pattern for quite a while now. I mean, this to me does look like a wave 1, wave 2, and then maybe this is a wave 3, wave 4, but it's most likely just a subdivision of the wave 3. So this is a 1 right here, this is the 2 that I showed on the monthly. Then this is now all wave 3, so a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3. I expect this to go up and make a wave 5 of 3, probably all the way up to about that $2,500 area, but I actually suspect that it's going to make a more proper ABC correction, probably similar to this, before it actually does go up. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it definitely looks like 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is an A of 4. I think we are now in a wave B of 4, which is a correction to the wave A. Then I would expect this to go down to make a wave C, maybe down even all the way to the 50% before we actually end this wave 4 and to make our way all the way up to probably the 161.8, right around the $2,500 area to finish off this pattern like I was showing on the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it all the way down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this is where you can see a little more clearly that this is very, very clearly 5 waves down right here. And I think even the 5th wave has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just looks a little odd because we had that interest rate news that made a big looking wave 4. But I do think that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 5. I think the wave 5 is likely over. I think this will go up. I think it will take out the high of wave 4. And I think it will make some sort of an A, B, C correction, which I think is a wave B. Like I said on the daily, wave A, 3 waves up for B, maybe 61.8, down again for a wave C. This should all be an ABC of wave 4, which will last around the same time as the wave 2 that I showed you on the weekly time frame, which is quite a while, I believe around 66 days. So taking it down to the 1-hour time frame, I think it's very clearly that this is a 1 and a 2 right here. I personally think it's going to go up more. I think it's going to have to make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, and this is all going to be a wave A of that wave B, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So I would definitely still be looking for longs. Most wave A's of B usually end around the high of wave 4, so I think that this right here is a pretty likely area for this to end a wave A of wave B. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I take with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.